In this video I'm going to draw the same figure from 4 different angles. Now the first three I'll just be doing really basic sketches, no detail whatsoever, but just trying to get the pose right from these different angles. In the final drawing though, I'm going to develop that a lot further and include a lot of form, so stick around for that. That'll be quite a nice drawing to help you to understand what it's like to draw the figure. Now in this first one you can see it's I've drawn it from a low point of view and looking more or less at the figure, and that just gives us a bit more view on the feet, etc. But it's really this is a tricky pose because we haven't got normal legs and so forth and normal proportions. So I've had to divide the form into two, and that the midway point is about halfway up the leg there. Now that's very different from drawing figures which are standing. You can see where the legs are where the hips are, etc. But in this pose, it's a crouching pose, so he doesn't follow all the rules. So you've got to really tune in your observation skills to get these poses. But still, you've got to get them. And so that's what we try and do. Now, in this second pose, it's more from the middle, the camera angle's more in the middle, and and he's turned around a bit, so it's a 3/4 view. Yes, so you can see just that simple line of the thigh and the back made this pose. We got the fundamentals of that pose. The back is arched, and the leg that's towards us is bent. So that makes it a really good crouching pose. He's crouching, but he's ready for action. In this third pose, we're looking from more above our angle, and it's a back pose. So we'll mostly get back in this one, and quite a long back, but you've got to give the effect. So your observation has to be pretty spot on with this one, even though it's a pose where you're seeing mostly his back, but still we want to make sure that the proportions are still right. It's just made a little adjustment to the hand, or there's a tendency to squash everything in with these poses, but you have to look where the various elements are. And it's the same pose, it's just from a different point of view. So that just shows you the challenges. In this pose, we just sketch it out in the same way. You don't slow up because it's a longer pose. We still have to You take your time, just observe and double check. See those first three, they were drawn out pretty quickly. And when you've got experience, you know more or less how to observe something. But we shouldn't tighten up with this longer pose. We should keep it at the same level. Don't worry about too much about facial features or anything like this. This is about drawing the pose, not about drawing a likeness or a... I mean, we try and generally get it, but we don't focus on that. And likewise with hands, we don't do fingers and things like that. We just draw the basic shape. Now we'll put a bit of form into this figure now. And horizon in the background, we can tell, I can see the character now straight away that he's, although he's resting, he's ready for action. So it's not really a resting pose. Good. Well, there you have it, everyone. It's the drawing of 4 different points of view of the same pose, and I've focused very much on this guy having, more detail and more form. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment and share with your friends, because it helps me tremendously to get that sort of feedback and so forth. So thank you so much for watching. We've got, I'm going to finish off now, so just stick around for this last minute and you'll just see it come to life more or less.